realistically, I have a lot of downtime and a lot of like time where I need to recover, and my recovery process that I enjoy is just drowning myself in work or completely shutting off, which means like my phone is off, my TV is on, my three instruments in my hand, so I can keep switching between them and just kind of like turn down the noise in my head. But I think that I think it's important to take creative breaks because आपका burnout is a very real thing when you're doing any kind of work, especially if you've done production work. You know कि अगर आप 18 घंटे on call हैं or every phone call is life or death, you know, even if it's just the set wala calling, you know, every phone call has to be picked up. So like the beauty in really shutting off from that, I really enjoy that. And it can manifest in any way. It can just manifest in whatever downtime there is. I think what recharges me is spending time with my family. My nephews and my nephew and nieces are, they keep me sida. Let's just put it that way. And so it's just nice to reset that way, or you know, spending time with my husband, or just like anybody who makes me feel like a person and does not treat me like a professional or like a colleague in that way. So I really enjoy that for my downtime. And staying offline, it's something I struggle with, but you know, you have to go offline.
Like, you can't just keep going and just
metrics
being active
are not in our favor, right? So like when I release something, I will have spent 6 months doing it, and it will get, you know, much less than I anticipate. And that's just like what algorithms do. That is just, you know, what things are. And then like when you're reading all of that, when you're seeing other people do things, well, like naturally you're just like, maybe I should be doing more. And so that cycle leads to that burnout where it's like, I'm not doing enough, I should do more. So now I've like learned to put a pin in it and just relax and find some really bad reality TV show to watch. And I enjoy that.